Hi everyone, this is Amy from the North Columbus Public Library, and thank you so much for joining me today for another craft for a cause. Today we will be making Easter-themed door banners for the residents at Columbus Hospice. Columbus Hospice is a local nonprofit organization, and the residents there are super excited that we will be making them an Easter-themed craft. So stay tuned. I want to show you step by step on how to make this craft, and also be sure to stop by the North Columbus Public Library. We're the library that's on Armour Road across from Britt David Park. We have in limited supply craft for a cause kits that have most of the supplies needed to make this craft. So all you have to do is just make these door banners and return them to the library, and then we will collect them all to be given back to Columbus Hospice. So again, stay tuned and I will show you step by step on how easy it is to make this craft. Okay, so these are the supplies that you'll get in your kit. An outline of a bunny on a variety of colored paper, some cotton balls for the tail, a variety of string. Now you will need at home a pair of scissors, a glue stick, and a single hole punch. Okay, so the first step is just to go ahead and cut out the bunny outline on the variety of colored paper that you have in your kit. Okay, and once you have your bunny cut out, it should look something like this. And now you'll take each of the cotton balls and a little bit of glue and just apply it to the base of each bunny. And the cotton ball will be the tail. Okay, and this is how the bunny will end up looking with a tail. Alright, now you'll take your hole punch and go ahead and apply one to the top of each ear. Okay, now you're going to take some string or some ribbon and make a little tie or bow for each of the bunnies. Okay, and the final step is to take the long piece of string and run it through the ears of the bunnies to make it into a banner. Okay, so that's all there is to it. You can see how easy it is to make this craft from home. So be sure to stop by the North Columbus Public Library on Armour Road. We will have a limited supply craft for a cause kits with most of the supplies needed to make this craft from home. And to be sure to return your completed crafts to the library so we can collect them all to be given back to Columbus Hospice. Thank you so much for joining me today for this program. I hope this video finds you well, and I hope to see you sometime soon. Have a wonderful day.